My Nigerian people don't bring no bonga Bishop News story. My name Nanehi. And make a sharply yarn on a son to the say it just happened. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu yesterday, Friday, June 9, 2023, don't cause suspend the Central Bank of Nigeria governor will be Godwin Emefiele from inside office immediately as he come put Mr. Folashodu Adebisi Shonubi as the acting governor of Central Bank of Nigeria. Plenty crowds don't come out to come welcome the former Minister of Interior, maybe Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola, will work under former President of Nigeria, will be Muhammadu Buhari administration on Wednesday, June 7, 2023, as the crowd welcome him from inside Ogun State, where make a con yarn, say hand they open and he not they fight anybody. Plenty Labour Party supporters will be obedient to the fire bad man they give Honorable Amobi Godwin Oga, where they represent Abia State for House of Representatives under Labour Party. After when they come out call on top this video, come they hate President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, saying they very intelligent and he don't know say he really ready to work for inside Nigeria as president. As obedient them for inside Abia State and other places there, come they yarn say they go follow INEC constitution, come use the recall procedure to remove them as lawmaker where they represent Abia State.
Today is my best day. Today I'm so happy that I'm an elected member. Seeing my president talking. In fact, I have never knew that this man is so intelligent. I have never knew that this man is so prepared to serve this country. I saw the love. I saw the character.
The Nasarawa State Governor will be Abdullahi Sule Ontop said the past administration under President Muhammadu Buhari spent $19 billion just to repair Nigerian refineries and they not work at all. Saying at the same $19 billion, Nine Dangote used to build new refinery. Some Nigerians have done the verse for one chef who named Dami from Oye Ekiti State. After which she starts to do the cook at turn to break Ida Bassi 100 hours Guinness World Record as she talks, say she go cook for 120 hours. As plenty Nigerians they come they talk, say na jealousy they worry her if not she for allow Ida Bassi to reign small before she go start her own. Why some other Nigerians they don't come they support her, they tell her say she dey free to do anything which she want do.
Hi guys, my name is Damiola Adekwarise. I'm from Ekiti State, Nigeria. So we are planning to break the world's Guinness record by cooking for a whole lot of 120 hours. That is, we are going to be cooking for a whole 5 days.
The Kano State Calabar Police Command they don arrest 57 suspects that will go to thiftalize things for people shop after we government go they scatter the illegal shops building them for inside Kano State. As the Calabar Police come they draw hand for ear. They want parents they say may they hold their pikin we be say they go to come out they thief things anyhow say because they not go take them at all for inside Kano State. The operative of Lagos State Zonal Command of Economic and Financial Crime Commission don arrest 52 suspected Yahoo 419 boys dem for inside Ogun State and na EFCC catch dem after wey dem receive information where the boys dey stay as dem come seize plenty motor, phones, laptop and other ogbonge things dem wey dem dey use. 27-year-old man wey im name be Nkwate Chimbizu, Calabar police don come arrest am say because im kpai im wife wey her name be Louisa Leonard come cut off her breast, cut off her pekus and also cut off her head for inside Ngabi, Chinwawa, Malawi. Now this gbege happened on Friday, June 9, 2023. And they call back police. Now they come out, come yarn the stock. Oil marketers they come out, come talk, say they don't convert some of their trucks the way they carry fuel before to they carry gas. They go filling station and they talk, say about 800 tankers and now they convert because of the fuel subsidy wahala where they happen for inside Nigeria. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come yarn why he remove the fuel subsidy, say because Nigeria no go continue to defeat smugglers them, and also Nigeria no go dey act like Father Christmas to other neighboring countries them. And then yarn this talk during the meeting we be saying do with the royal fathers them under the National Council of Traditional Rulers them of Nigeria for inside Aso Villa, June 9, 2023.
Feed smugglers. Be a Father Christmas to the neighboring country, and even though they say not every day is Christmas.
Now be small wahala yesterday as Labour Party legal team them don come turn the presidential election tribunal court into film house as dem come carry ogbonge big television screen take enter inside court to show video of how independent national electoral commission chairman wey be muhammadu yakubu take rig the 2023 February 25th presidential election as the case go continue today by 2 p.m.
To embarrass somebody, embarrass the person soon.
One Nigerian lady wey name on top Instagram be Ivan Okoro officials don come show her old picture where she be gospel singer as she come change it to social media Okpo Miliki Slay Queen as she write under the picture say if your church no fit change you, make you change your church. This one come show say the good girl don turn to bad now.
Matter who got it down. I'm so sweet in the middle, man. Guys.
Now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.